Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, we will learn how to add basic Firebase Analytics into your Unity project, especially for Android games or Android app. So first of all, you need to sign up for the Firebase, and you need to go to console.firebase.google.com. So I already have an account, so I'm not going to cover how to create an account here. It's super simple. You just need to go there and sign with your Google account and then sign up for Firebase. So then need to go to Firebase console.firebase.google.com. Here you can see we can create new Firebase project and your previous project will also appear here. So we will create a new project and we will name whatever your project name is. Now we will click on continue, and here you have to again click on the continue. You can see it's also provide Gemini Firebase, which is very helpful for you. I took many help from it. It's working perfectly. Now you can go with the default setting like Google Analytics for this project for analytics purposes. And here you have to select your analytics account if you have. If you don't have, you can create one. To click on create project, it will create a project in your it in your inside your Unity. This is our Unity project that we want to put on. Click continue as our Firebase project is ready. Now it has redirected us to this page where we can configure the analytics setting. And one important thing on the right side, we have a Gemini, and you can ask a step-by-step guide for Unity or whatever platform you are using, which is very helpful. So we are on the main page now. We will need to click on Unity. And here we have to register our app. So if you are using for Apple, we need to click here and provide information here. But I'm currently using Android, so I will click here and I will provide my company package name here. So I will go to my Unity edit project setting. In the project setting, I have player and other setting. This package name. So make sure to create this package name. Let's copy this here. So provide a nickname which is optional, but it is good practice to on the register app button. Now it will provide you a JSON file. You have to put it on under the asset folder. So you need to click this and it will download the package JSON file. And remember, if you have iOS, then you will get another file for the iOS as well. So we have only currently we have only the Android platform, so we just click on it. Every time we just need to copy this. Copy this asset folder. Just need to copy this. This is the step. Now we have to download the Firebase Unity SDK. It is a zip file, and then you need to import this Firebase Analytic package from it. I already downloaded this package, so I will just import this Firebase Analytics. You need to click this package here, and it will start downloading. It's a huge file, 1 GB, more than 1 GB. And then you need to put this Firebase Analytics into your project. So this is already downloaded here. We just need to bring the Firebase Analytics into our project. So I will just drag and drop this Firebase Analytics here. As you can see, we have these four folder here. Just need to import it. It's importing. Let's go back to our Firebase sign up page. And now we will need to click on next. And now we'll go to continue to console. Okay, so we are almost done the basic setup. And let's go back to Unity. We have successfully imported the package. Enable it. Now you will be thinking that we have to write to enable the analytics into our project. Uh, but the good part is that we don't need to enable it. It works by default. So we just need to add this Google service, which we added earlier. And now we will build it and test it. So there is no need to add any manual code. But yes, you can write some code to disable it. Maybe in some occasion you don't want to collect the logs due to some restriction or due to user preferences. So, and what kind of events it will provide you by default? If we go back to our analytics page, here we have some events and some dimensions or properties. So by default, Unity Firebase provide you events that what is happening into your application and what are the properties like segment of user base data, like which language preferences in geographic location. So if we talk about events, we have a bunch of events that work by default. You don't need to write any code to capture these events. And like first open, the user has opened it first time, and there are other as well. So you can read this carefully. And also we have some dimensions like age, app store, app version, city, and these are the properties, gender, that you can track on your Firebase Analytics. So just after putting the JSON file, it worked by default. So let's create a build, and then we go back to our page to see where the analytics are showing. So right now we don't have any active user or this kind of stuff. So let's go back to Unity and build. And I have attached my device to the layer as well, to the workspace as well. So make sure when you are checking Android build, your internet connection is active so that it sends the analytics in real time. But remember, it sometime can be late to show the analytics. I'm not sure that how Firebase on or at what frequency it sync, but most of the time I'll see that it's appear in real time. So our build has successfully created. Now I will check it, and then I will show you the analytics. So I used the app about 4 or 5 minutes. Let me refresh this page, see if it's working or not. Okay. So let's go to analytics and dashboard. If you say no, not yet received, but you get the basic idea. We go to real-time analytics. So there are some first open, screen view, session start. These are some basic events now appearing here. And it's also showing me the my location here. So this is a basic setup. And remember, if you run this application here, then it will not count the analytics because it's currently not supported on Windows platform. And these are the events that you can check, and you can use it to analyze your application usage. And if you go to log event section in this page, you can see there are different custom event you can log while writing a simple script. And there is another thing you can do is to go to your Firebase page, and here uh, you can see different options like events, and you can even create your own custom event. And remember, this sometime takes the events page take time to show the states, and for the real time you can visit this page. So thank you for watching.